better
Why do you
stop
keep going
there.
back here?
You better stop right there. Stop. All right. All right. Now you're up again. Grandpa's up. He's going to try to hit you home. Oh.
You're out this time.
Oh, you're out!
No.
You're out this time.
I did it.
Good slide, though.
Aggressive base running, buddy.
Let's do it here.
Okay.
Hold on.
Ready?
Back up. Back
Oh,
up.
that's
Back
good.
up.
There you go. Nope, nope, nope. Yep. Go!
Good. Good.
Go!
Move that ball. Oh. Oh.
You are safe. Safe again.
Where's first base, Tommy? Where's first base? That's the first. Where do you run to first? Where do you run first? When you hit it? First base, right? Okay. Okay. Take a hit.
A big one?
Take a swing. All right. Go. 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 Go.
Go!
Go. Don't worry about that. No. Go to first.
You are safe! You're over there where you're supposed to be.
Right.
Take a practice swing. Practice.
Good job. A little higher.
Maybe a little higher. Pretend the ball's
You don't have to
there.
cough.
I swing the ball.
Okay. See that? Okay. There you go. Stand down there.
Choke
All the way
up.
down.
Choke up.
Okay. You ready? Oh, too close.